Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use a candlestick bar to identify a resistance, a price level like a pro. Alright, so do you want to use candlestick bar to identify a resistance level like a pro? If yes, well, let's get started. Alright, so we know that a bearish candlestick bar is a candlestick bar that closes below the opening price. Alright, how can we use a bearish candlestick bar to identify a valid resistance level? As I told trader before, I have made it my duty to dispel, to remove all the misconception relating to a candlestick bar trading. Alright. So in order to use a candlestick bar to identify a resistance level, we need to find that the price must go up first. So here it is here. Price went up, went up, went up. Now we have a bearish candlestick bar. This one is a bearish candlestick bar here, right here. Well, in order to ascertain that that bearish candlestick bar, is at a resistance level after a bullish move, the price must find a resistance below the low of that bearish candlestick bar. You see? But you can see here the price did went up. Now we have a bearish candlestick bar, but the price did not find a resistance below the low of that bearish candlestick bar. It is not at a resistance level. In fact, there is a support here. You can see that the following candlestick bar did go below the low of that candlestick bar, but you see carefully, they close it above the low of that bearish candlestick bar. The reason is if it closes below the low of that candlestick bar will signal to us a resistance level. This is how we can use a candlestick bar to identify a valid resistance level. So price goes up first, and then we have a bearish candlestick bar, and the price closes below the low of that bearish candlestick bar. By the way, I need to remind scalpers, day traders, that it's better to use the monthly chart when we are applying this strategy, because if you are doing this on a 5-minute, 15-minute, hourly time frame, you may not see a solid or a robust trading setup. Did you get that? So sometimes traders learn something like this, and then they go on a 3-minute, 5-minute, hourly time frame. Sometimes you may see a good one, but usually from the monthly chart it becomes very solid, and we can apply from the monthly chart. We can break it down for day trading purposes down to the daily chart, hourly time frame. All right. There is a better one here. Look at this one again. Look at this one. Again, price went up. Now we have a bearish candlestick bar. Where is the low? Right there. Did the price find a resistance below the low? No. You see here? Carefully, it closes above that low. That bearish candlestick bar is not signaling to us a resistance level. Price continue to go up as it did here. Look at this one. This is the low right there. So one more time, my friend. Are you getting it now? Price went up, found a resistance, went up, and then we have a bearish candlestick bar. It closes below the opening price. Where is the low? Right here. Did the price find a resistance below that low after that? No, none. It just went up. You see? So if it does not go below the low of that bearish candlestick bar after a bullish move, it means that there's a high chance that it will continue to go up. Okay, one more time. Price went up again. Boom, 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 boom. So the price will go up and then see a resistance. And now we have a bearish candlestick bar. We draw the low. Did the price go below that low and find a resistance? No, it didn't. Look at this one. This one was carefully. They did not want to break it below. But if it goes below and find a resistance, that's it. All right? Here it is. Look at this one. Look at the last one here. Yeah, this is a good one here. Price went up one more time. Now we have a bearish candlestick bar. Let's place the low there. Here it is the low. Did the price find a resistance below that low? Yes. You see? Now it went down. This is how we use a candlestick bar, okay, to identify a resistance level like a pro. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. To summarize the video, we are looking for a bullish move, and then a bearish candlestick bar is closed. When the bearish candlestick bar is closed, we draw the low of that candlestick bar. Now we wait. If the price finds a resistance below the low of that bearish candlestick bar after a bullish move, that bearish candlestick bar is signaling to us, is helping us to identify a valid resistance level. Now you can see here that bearish candlestick bar is signaling to us a valid resistance level. So the resistance right there is a valid resistance level because price went up, followed by a bearish candlestick bar, and the price went below the low of the bearish candlestick bar and found a resistance. You see here, so it break below the low, this one. You see, try to retest it. Break below, retest. Here it is, this one, the tail here. They sold it down. And it went back up again. They know that there's a resistance there. After this bullish move again, now you see this one. Down. Alright? If you like this video, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. Then we know that we have done a very good job, that you appreciate what we are doing, or maybe you have learned something from it. Give us your beautiful thumbs up. Stick those beautiful thumbs up, all right? Do not hesitate to stick them up, please, all right? If you think that, George, well, that's another show, I did not learn anything, all right? Okay, mark it down, and that will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. However, if you think this is an essential tutorial, okay, all right, share it with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Understand that the bearish candlestick bar that is helping us to identify resistance level is also helping us to find a valid bearish trading setup. One must now use a different time frame trading method to trade it like a pro. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to use a candlestick bar to identify a resistance price level like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, this is the time. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. We will be recording more amazing tutorials to help traders master, the candlestick bar trading. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon.